So we have these cucumber vine growing here, and it's growing over this tree, and you can see cucumbers here. And there are small ones here, and I've been picking these up. And yesterday I noticed this big cucumber in the back here. I probably just didn't see it at all, and it has grown so big, and it is turning yellow, and it is so big and thick that you just can't eat it now. It will not taste that good. So normally, I leave a cucumber or two towards the end of the season and then save seeds from it. But now that cucumber has grown so big, I'm going to use it for the seeds. Here, look at this. This is at least 8 inches long and probably 3 inches wide. And it is turning brown now. So I'll wait for few more days, and when it is even more brown, then I'll pick it and try to save the seeds. So I have finally harvested this cucumber. It has turned orange now, and I want to save the seeds from it. Normally I leave a cucumber or two towards the end of the season, but this was hidden, and we couldn't see it, and it became so big, so might as well now use it for the seeds. So I'm just going to cut it in half. Look at these seeds, they're really tough. Normally, the seeds will be really edible, but these are tough seeds. So that's what you want. You want to wait for the cucumber to become ripe like this, and see how they are coming out, because they are pretty tough, and they are yellow, kind of yellow. So basically just take out all the pulp from the middle, and in the process all the seeds. And like in most vegetables, you just let the fruit dry on the plant, but in this case we need to ferment it a little bit. So now all the pulp is out, and so are the seeds. Just remove the pulp. So I'm going to just leave it in this, add a little bit more water, and let it sit for a few days, 3-4 days, and then we'll take them out and dry them up. And what will happen is that so right now each seed is kind of covered with a film kind of thing, so that thing will come out. Right now you can't take it out, but when you let it ferment, that film comes out and only the seed remains, and then we can dry it up. So it's been about 4 days that we soaked these seeds in here, and after 2 days, it had a lot of fungus growing on the top, the black colored fungus. And I just, by instinct, as soon as I saw the fungus, I just drained it into the sink, and I didn't realize that I wanted to take a video of it. But in any case, if you look at these now, all these seeds earlier had a sac around it. It was like a slimy thing, which is not there anymore. So that means they are done. So I'm just going to wash these, and I'm going to just put these on a paper towel so that they dry up, and I'll just leave them inside for them to dry, and they'll be dry, completely dry, in maybe a couple of days. And that's when we just save these seeds. So, one thing you have to remember is that if you have a cucumber which is growing really big on the vine, rest of the cucumbers will stop growing. So remember in the beginning I was showing you those two cucumbers which were on this branch, and they were like really small and they were not growing at all while I had that orange cucumber on this vine. And as soon as I cut it off, these cucumbers started to grow, because a lot of energy goes in making the seeds inside a really over matured cucumber. So rest of the cucumbers, they just stop growing. So that's why most of the times whenever you want to collect seeds, you want to do it towards the end of the season when there is not much um, crop on the vine in any case. So it's been a couple of days that we put these seeds on this paper to dry, and they are completely dry. So now we can save them. So it is pretty straightforward. Towards the end of the season, you leave a couple of cucumbers on the vine and let them grow, and slowly they'll grow and then they'll start to turn brown or orange. And once you feel that, it's pretty mature, you just pick it and you cut it open, remove all the flesh, put it in water for 3 4 days. Some fungus will form on the top. You just remove that, and uh, then after 3 4 days you just kind of rub these seeds a little bit and wash them in water, and all the slimy stuff around the seeds will wash away, and then you just let them dry and they are ready for the next season. So you don't have to go out and buy cucumber seeds. So I hope this video was inspirational to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.